The Sears Weed Whacker propane-powered trimmer, powered by Lear, delivers all of the performance of a standard gasoline-powered trimmer without the danger, inconvenience, and negative environmental impact of gasoline use and storage. There is no messy mixing of gas and oil, no unwanted trips to the gas station, and no spilling of the gas just to fuel. Just twist in a propane canister. Snap it in place. Pull on the strap, and you're ready to cut grass. Utilizing Lear's patented twist-and-go fueling system, the Sears Weed Whacker propane trimmer uses standard 16.4-ounce propane canisters that are convenient, readily available, easy to use, safe to store, and made of 100% recyclable steel, while providing an average of 2 hours of runtime on a single canister. 90% of the problems with gasoline-powered string trimmers are in the carburetors. Propane is very reliable. It doesn't gum up carburetors, and engines that run on propane do not require winterizing while needing very little maintenance over a season of use. Classified as a green gas, propane produces 97% fewer particulates than gasoline when used as fuel in an internal combustion engine. Producing zero evaporative emissions, the Sears Weed Whacker, powered by Lear, already exceeds the 2011 EPA emission standards for small engines. Since over 85% of the propane fuel used in this country is produced domestically, the Sears Weed Whacker, powered by Lear, helps eliminate your garden's dependency on foreign oil. The Sears Weed Whacker, powered by Lear, with twist-and-go fueling and the Craftsman exclusive hassle-free fixed-line head, is available in both straight and curved shaft models, and it will accommodate all Craftsman universal convertible attachments, making it the most economical, most versatile, and most eco-friendly trimmer ever.